Hi, I'm Scott Goyette.
And I'm Kim Goyette. Welcome to Costa Rica. We are so lucky to have this be our 10th year holding our Costa Rica retreat at the magical Anamaya Resort. We come back every year because of the incredible energy this place has to offer. You're surrounded by the jungle overlooking a 270-degree view of the beautiful Pacific Ocean, and it truly is a magical experience. This retreat is for anyone that is looking to connect deeper with themselves, with each other, and with nature. And we welcome everyone, all levels of yogis, to come and celebrate this magical energy with us. Thanks so much.
We look forward to seeing you there. Pura Vida.
Yeah.